Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play music in Discord. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now to play music in Discord is you actually need to invite a music bot, and to do that you will need your web browser access. You have to go ahead and find a music bot that you will prefer for your Discord to be connected, and you can invite it to. Once you have found the bot, you're gonna go ahead invite the bot to your server, right? So to create a server, you're gonna tap on this plus icon and you're gonna create a my own, and you're gonna create, you can choose for me and my friends, stuff like that. You can create a new server, you can add in the name, you can add in the music bot or thing like that, or you can name it whatever you would prefer. Then tap on create server, you're good to go. Once you've invited the music bot to your server, you're gonna give permission and click on authorize button. Once you have authorized it, the music bot will be added, and now you will be able to play music on Discord like that using the music bot server on Discord. That is the only way you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.